You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name. If you want to learn more medical terms that are confusing too, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. When you have a distorted taste, there are different pronunciation. British English, hypogeusia, hypogeusia or hypogeusia, right? It's either an S sound or a Z sound. Both pronunciations are correct. Hypogeusia, hypogeusia. Now the Americans, rather than saying goo, say oo, right? So American English pronunciation, hypogeusia, hypogeusia. In American English, like new and new, same thing. Hypogeusia in American English, but generally in standard British English, hypogeusia, hypogeusia. If you go with that pronunciation, you're pretty safe, and it's actually 100% correct. So now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.